all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can automatically create Notion items for Google Ads leads. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create up to 100 of Notion items for free using your Google Ad leads using Pabbly Connect, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this amazing discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Google Ads. So let's click on this add trigger button and select the trigger application as Google Ads. Now after we select the trigger application, we have to select the trigger event. So for the trigger event, you're going to see you have two options. So first of all, let's just select this application over here, and for the trigger event we have two options: new campaign or new lead form entry. So you have to select new lead form entry and click on this connect. Once you're going to click on this connect, you're going to receive the webhook URL. So just copy this webhook URL and follow me. What you have to do, you just have to open your Google Ads campaign and you have to make sure that you've added a lead form in this campaign. As you can see, I have added this lead form in my campaign where I have chosen the details like the name, email, phone number and the city, because these are only the details which I want to add in my Notion database. Okay, so now the connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect is going to happen using this form only. So what you have to do, you have to scroll till the end of this form and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. So open this and it is saying webhook URL and the key. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow right over here in this webhook URL field. Now for the key, enter the key. So I have kept this key and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent successfully. So let's just open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture this webhook response right over here, which will be the test data sent by Google Ads. So as you can see that we have successfully captured the test data where we have the first name, last name, email, phone number and the city. Now we're going to add these details right over here in my Notion, and then it is going to run perfectly fine for my real leads too. What I'm just going to do is I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to search for Notion. So go on the search bar and search for Notion and select Notion right over here. For the event, you have to select the event as create database item and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Notion and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Notion. Now what you have to do, you have to make sure that your Notion account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your Notion account, and once you make sure that your Notion account is logged in, Pabbly is going to just ask you for some permissions. You have to click on the select pages. Over here you have to select the pages for which you want to give the permission. So I want to give the permission only for this page, which is new leads. So I'm just going to search for the same page and select the same page right over here, which is new leads. Now you're going to see that after selecting the page, I'm just going to click on this allow access and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because my data is 100% safe with Pabbly. Now our Notion account is connected with Pabbly Connect. After we create this amazing connection, we have to select the database over here. After we select the database, one by one we have to enter all of these details. But over here is the main hack, that you don't have to enter the details manually by typing it, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically a data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to map all the details right over here. So after I map all the details, it is asking for the content. So this is not required over here. So if you wish, you can definitely fill it out. Otherwise, leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. Now once we click on the save and send test request, you're going to see we have received the positive response right over here that we have successfully added these details in our Notion database. So let's open our Notion and you're going to see yes, the new details are added, be the first name, last name, email, phone number, or the city. Not only this, but now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead through this lead form, instantly the details will be added right over here in my Notion, and all of this is going to happen in backend. I don't have to come back and again to my workflow to click on save and send test requests. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.